Hello, hello, hello. I'm back with something quite exciting. Been away for a while, been a bit poorly, and then Christmas happened and stuff like that, and life has happened. But I'm back, new hairstyle, and a very quick unboxing. So this is something that I wasn't expecting until the end of February, but it came today. I'm very, very excited. I can't tell you how excited I am, but I'm excited, suffice to say. What is it? It's this. It is the Otamatone Techno. Cut a long story short, for Christmas from my wife, I received an Otamatone. If you've never heard an Otamatone before, they sound like this. They've got some switches on the back. So that's your volume at the top and sort of tone on the bottom. But that is what they are. Have a little speaker inside. That's what they do. Got it for Christmas, loved it, so I ordered myself this Otamatone Techno. So this is basically the top of the range Otamatone. They do have ranges. The one below this is the Deluxe, which is basically the same, except this has one extra feature, which, as you can see at the front, is the ability to plug a smartphone. I say smartphone, I believe it has to be an iOS device. It doesn't work on Android as far as I know. And then you can download apps and play different instruments instead of it sounding like that. So, unbox. So we have got instructions in Japanese. No good to me, don't speak it. Nice little strap for playing standing up, and you also see why you need a strap in a minute, because it's a big old beast of a thing. We've got a nice little aux cable. I think that's what they call an aux cable for plugging into your phone. You've got 3 AA batteries. Always nice when stuff comes with batteries, although I believe it can be charged externally, but we'll see in a minute. And then here it comes itself. Sorry about that. There it is. Right, as you can see, in comparison, pretty huge difference. Normal Otamatone Techno. So this is a Techno. There is a model called the Deluxe, which is exactly the same, except you can't plug your iPhone into it, and I shall show you what you can do with this one on the back in a second. I think they're fantastic. I love them. I think they're great things. But this is what makes the Techno the Techno. So unfortunately everything's going to be backwards for you because I'm recording this on my front-facing camera on my iPhone 10. But here we go. So it's the Techno, the Deluxe. If you've got the Deluxe, is exactly the same as this. It has the on, off and volume there. It has your 3 different tones, so low, mid and high. I'll say it's all backwards, but you can see it. It has the charging adapter there, so you can externally charge it. It has a line out. So the Deluxe has all those different things, so you can plug that into like headphones or plug into an amp or something like that. The difference between this and the Deluxe though is this thing up here, and that's the OTM link it's called. Like I say, it's backwards on yours, but it's called the OTM link. And that is where you can plug your phone in. And then you can download apps like these. So you have like thumb jam here, voice synth, auto tune mobile, and it says signaling, but I'm guessing it's supposed to be signaling. I don't know, but they're just for the apps you can use. So for example, with thumb jam, which I own thumb jam anyway, you can basically choose different instruments. You've got like probably about 100 instruments on there, really well sampled instruments as well. And when you plug this in, instead of getting that sound, you'll get the sound of whatever instrument you've put on. So that is what makes the Techno the Techno. I'm not going to do anything with it now. I'll do a video shortly, or in the near future, very near future. There's a bit of a comparison between this and how they sound, and also look at some of the features of the Techno and how it works with the apps. But for now, exciting times ahead. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.